come to look at this coach. We just having a drive around Epsom in the coach, and it's quite good. I'm quite impressed. Got the air conditioning on, got the toilet. What do you reckon, Jakey? Do you reckon we can run this as a stock car coach?
Just looking now, you can take the seats out.
We quite like this. If we buy it, we'll put it on our blog. Oh no, this is our next project. We've just been and bought a coach, so I think we're committed to the sport now. So we've been and bought a coach, gives a bit more comfort for this year. Got loads of storage, and it sounds like Jake's in it, and Grant's got the buzzer off. It's got a built-in toilet. You got it off, Grant.
Yeah.
Well done.
What do you want to do? Just put it back in the hole?
Yeah.
Just push the wires back in?
Yes, please, yeah. And Jake's gonna start taking the sticks out. What do you reckon, Jakey? Should we fix the radio first?
No.
Alright.
Continues its fucking journey.
Right, transport, I've just got that MOT'd this week and got a bit carried away and been and bought a coach. So saw one on internet at 10 grand and went and had a look at it and decided it was a bit old at 1983 and thought I could spend the same money or a bit more on something that's modern. So we've been and bought an 05 bus that's a BM12, so it's a much more modern bus. So we're going to cut the back out of this and make a stock car coach out of it. There's loads of room, loads of storage. So let's see how we get on with it. A bit of a project to go. We've got 4 weeks to the start of the season. So I've got a bit of a project on our hands. We've only had it a couple of days. We'll pull all the seats, well, pull a few seats out and a few more to move, a few alterations to do. But well, we've got 4 or 5 weeks at the start of the season for the first Kings Lynn. Project at the minute is to get that door off. That's we've got a lot of seating out yesterday. Andy Maynard and Jake had a hold down it yesterday and got it all out. So this weekend we'll get the door off and try and get a car in here. Sunday afternoon, and that's took all day Friday, all day Saturday and all day Sunday. Whatever it costs to cut a back door off a coach, I will never do it again. Steve Reedman, I'll pay you whatever it costs to take a door off. That has been a nightmare. Anyway, it's off anyway, so going for Sunday dinner. Oh my, you want to see this? We've got the pump working. And it works and everything. I can't move. This has been the best day of the project so far. Oh, over the moon. This has been brilliant. Look at that baby. Oh wow. Andy Man has on the hinges for us. That was brilliant. It works perfectly. We've had it wired up today and where the ram's fitted and all toolboxes in. Look at that baby. Wow. That's right up. Fantastic. Isn't it nice when something works? You put a lot of effort in and eventually it works. Obviously we've got to tidy it up next, is our next job, but what a relief. It pulls in perfectly. Hey! Stickers are nearly off. So it took 2 days. Week 2 on the coach, and the back door's been off and back on again. The rams are fitted and went for our hydraulic man to pipe them up. That should be working tomorrow. Winch is going in now. The winch is going there. So we're putting a big plate there to suspend the winch and bolt it to the main chassis. Bed settees in and tables in, and that's it for today. Okay, that's the end of week 2 and all the stickers are off. It took a couple of days to get all them all off, but They're all off. I've had one of the lads do it for me in his spare time, so that's a really good relief. And in here, winch is in, and the bed is going to go there. So that's our next job for this weekend. And the kitchen units go in here. That's the plan. Righto, 2 weeks today. We've got our first meeting, and we're getting there. We've got to get this ready in the next week, really. The kitchenette's going in now. The bed's going in now. And we're making the ramps this weekend, so hopefully the car will be in there by the end of the weekend, and make sure it fits. It's in. It's in. We're going to have to lift ramps a little bit, but we've got a car in, so that's a good start for the day. Good start, Jakey. We've got one in. Be clean before the sunwater gets here. Full book. We'll put this on next week. I'll be immaculate for sunwater. Well, we've had a great week on the truck. We've got lots done. We've got sunwater coming on Tuesday to get ready for Kings Lynn next week, and it's all coming together. The normal plate's on. We've got the generator in, so now we've got electric here. We've got electric 240 volt and 16 amp for the welder. Air line's in, and water tanks connected. Water's in. The bulkhead's in. So that puts the shelves in. We'll check and plate it. After the season starts now, but it's coming on really good. It's really good. The water tank's in there, and the generator's in here. So look at this. Got the generator and compressor in there. That's all in. There's malaysia batteries to run it all. It's all coming together. And in the coach itself, we've got this almost done. The kitchenette's gone into the table's in. Bed settee's in. The kitchenette's gone in today. That's all finished and working, and the bed's in. So it's the bulkhead's in and the bed's in, so it's fantastic. It's fantastic. Just the toilet, got a bit of a problem with the toilet to sort that out, and we're done. And ready for Gonna Keep racing at Kings Lynn in a week's time. I'll sweep it out first. I've always wanted a coach, and I'm just so proud to have eventually got one. I can't believe we've actually got one. It's being sign written today. We're only racing in 3 days' time, so this is our last week. But I just love the shape of it, the windscreen and the way it leans back, and it's no 15, sorry, it's no 5, so it's a modern bus. I really, really like it. Can't wait to get signed written today, and be proud to show it off at the weekend. Soon be it. The sign writer's here, and it's half done. It's looking mint. Can't wait to see it done now. Day 2, starting on this side now. Just got the back and the front to do. One side's done, and should be good by the end of the day. We'll soon see. Let's get those boards indoors because I'm going down. That's day 2 done, and wow. That's day 2 done, and that looks absolutely fantastic. Just the front to do, and obviously the back. But wow, doesn't that look good? Oh, that's cool. This is it, an ultimate day. It's just been finished now, and we're racing tomorrow. Car's ready, and coach is nearly ready. Just finishing the front end off now. I'm impressed, Rob. Love it.
Spot on, fella.
Yep, looks fantastic. 10 o'clock on Friday night, we're racing tomorrow. These boys are working hard, we're done in 3 days, nearly done. Well, I hope you've enjoyed my vlog on the coach from start to finish. We bought the coach from a coach dealer down in London. Not a coach dealer, a coach operator. It's got no business. It's got no work, no schools, no holidays, no seaside, no Europe, no France or Spain, and nothing. So I feel sorry for the guys. This coach was 350 grand 15 years ago, and I think it looks 350 grand's worth again now. It cost me 10% of that money to do this from start to finish. But I feel sorry for the guys that are selling these coaches for nothing. It's the right time for me to buy a coach, and obviously it's been a fantastic donor vehicle to do this job too. So I've always wanted a coach. I've had a couple of lorries over the years. Done 11 years in F1s now, so I think they're pretty committed to the sport. And obviously Jake's my son in the next phase. So I'm enjoying it, and I hope you like my vlog on the coach. I think that's about finished. We're racing tomorrow. Tomorrow's our first Kings Lynn. So it's 10 o'clock now on Friday night, and our first meeting's tomorrow. So they're still working to get it finished. They've committed to doing it. So I hope you enjoyed it. I've enjoyed doing the vlog, and you'll see the coach tomorrow. Anyone that sees it, and before I do this vlog, and there you go. This is it. It's race day. This is what we've been working on for the last 5 weeks. And it's finished literally midnight last night. It was finished, so we're absolutely over the moon with it. It's come out fantastic. Obviously got my car inside it, and Jake's new car on the trailer. We've got some beds in it, toilets and kitchenette and everything, so it's fantastic. I've always wanted a coach, and this year's our ride for this year. Maybe we'll get a nomination for Team of the Year this year with any luck. There we go. How's that? Right, we're going to have some breakfast and we're going to head to Kings Lynn. See you there. So I am, and we're back. That's the first of all, I've actually seen it in the dark. It actually was quite cool in the dark. So that was a fantastic journey. Rubbish night's racing. Rubbish. But bedtime, and we'll unload and clean the cars tomorrow and do it all again next week. There we go. That concludes my video blog on the coach build, and that took us 5 weeks. We bought this 5 weeks ago and we raced last night, and I'm quite pleased that we've done that in 5 weeks. It's been a fantastic achievement. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I've done the vlog from the day we had a ride round up to a minute, and bought it and converted it and put the rams on it, and it's brilliant. We loved it. Shame about the racing, but there you go. That'll get better. See ya.
The Self-Preservation Society. This is the Self-Preservation Society. Go wash your German veg, your rice too. Have your body feel, we got a lot to do. Put on your gear and your finger right. Cause time to hurry and ride. Get your shakes on, mate. Get your skirts on, mate. No fib around your Gregory Peck today. Hey, rock your plates of meat. Ride upon the seat. This is the Self-Preservation Society. This is the Self-Preservation Society.